Hello YouTube, it's your girl Kimberly. Thank you so much for coming back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Haus Triclone Skin Tech Foundation. I know I am late to the party, but I absolutely love this foundation. I got it during the Sephora sale. It is my new fave. It looks absolutely gorgeous. So if you want to know more about why I'm loving this foundation, keep watching. Thank you so much for taking the time to click on this video. I truly appreciate it. Please subscribe to the channel. We are on the road to 5,000 subscribers and I want you to be a part of the crew. So subscribe to the channel, like this video if you like the video, and hit the notification bell if you want to be first to know when I post a new video or when I go live. Okay, let's get into this review. Alright, so a little bit about the foundation. So I purchased it at Sephora for it. The original price is $49, but because I was Rouge, I got 20% off. I have the shade 480 Medium Deep Neutral, which is very interesting because I have all three color scheme undertones in my skin. So I'm golden in the center, I'm red on the outside, and then I feel like somewhere in the middle of my face I'm neutral. So I always usually get either a warm foundation and then I just make it cool with using concealer for the center of my face, or I just get a cool foundation and just use bronzer to make the outsides of my face warm up and kind of look more true to tone. And using a neutral foundation and just feeling like, oh, I'm like, this is my average skin color, it looks so crazy. Like even looking at even though my chest is a little cooler, you could definitely see the transition. It looks really holistic and I absolutely love that. So gorgeous. So I do have oily combination skin. I did not set this with powder. So what I did set it with was the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Liquid Blurring Balm. So this is the setting spray that you spray on your face and then you take a brush and you tap it in and it becomes like a powder. So these two together are my new holy grail trifecta. I was literally in an event party situation where I was dripping sweat down my face, and I literally went and like touched my face for the sweat and like only water came out and no foundation or color, and I was like, oh wow, that is good. So I absolutely love it. It definitely, I didn't do like a mattifying primer. I just used the Danessa Myricks Universal Blurring Balm, which technically is mattifying, but it's not like oil sucker kind of drying matte. It's like a natural matte, which is why I really love it. And I think that even though I have like a full face of foundation, you can definitely tell that it is human-like, skin-like. I still have, you know, the sheen on my forehead, my chin, my nose where I normally would, and it's not matte. Now if I did want like dry matte, I would probably go back over it with the one size just to really like suck the little bit of oil out. But I kind of like this lived in real skin look. I don't want to be absolutely 100% like dry matte, because I feel like that's when you get into the cakey area and the makeup's not as vibrant, lively, and feels lived in. I will say there's so many different shades of this foundation. Like I find it very hard that anybody's going to be in a position where they can't find a shade that matches them, because there's so many different options. And I really appreciate that, because especially with neutral, I feel like so many brands have like warm neutral, cool neutrals, and it's like, well, then it's not neutral, then it's warm, then it's cool. It's just to a lesser extent. So the fact that they have shades that are like true neutral shades is so good. It does make it a little more difficult though, especially if you're one of those people like me where you always just pick, I'm cool today, I'm warm today, and you like to switch it up because then you're like, oh man, like I really should be using a neutral all the time. But I think it looks so gorgeous, and I don't know why I waited so long to try this foundation. I think there's so many foundation launches that are always happening, and I'm always behind because I don't wear foundation enough to be like buying all these bottles. So whenever there's a new sale or something, I'm like trying to get whatever is the new latest and greatest, and I feel like I just kept skipping out on Haus because I was always getting something else. and I'm so glad that I tried it and that I didn't skip out on it. To be honest, this sale, I went to go try and get the Natasha Denona foundation. I actually was not trying to buy the Haus Labs, but I went to 2 Sephoras and none of them had any Natasha Denona foundations. They only had eyeshadow. So then I was like, oh, I guess this is a sign I need to get something else. And of course I was like, well, Makeup by Mario, I've heard people having issues with like a match and they can't really find one, especially black people. So then I was like, what other foundation is like really popular that a lot of people love that I have not tried? And of course, boom, I saw the Haus Lab display. Also, another thing, when it first came out, the specific Sephora I go to, the Haus Labs gondola is a middle gondola, and it's literally like one aisle is Huda Beauty, Makeup by Mario, Haus Labs, and it's not Rare, it's some other brand, and that section of the store is chaotic. And I usually stay on the other side, and I'm just looking like, I want to see what's going on new with Mario, but I don't want to be in that crowd. And that part of the store is always contentious. So it also aligned for me that because I went like immediately after work, like nobody was really there yet, and I was able to kind of play around with all the different Haus Lab shades and see which one is which. And that's how I ended up matching myself to getting 480, which again is the medium deep neutral, which is so crazy to me that I'm like medium. Like I feel like I'm not dark, I'm not deep, like medium deep. Okay, I didn't even think of that as like a designation. It's just like tan and then deep and then dark. Like, so the fact that they have so many different categories and different families of color, of undertone, I think that it is a really, really great foundation. Now, I do have oily skin, so like I said, I feel like that's why I get this perfect satin matte finish from it. I might put a little powder on my nose, but other than that, I feel like it's a really good balance for me. If I had dry skin, I don't know if I would like this as much. You would definitely have to do a lot of skin prep to make sure that you don't look too dry, but I absolutely love it as somebody that is combination and oily. Okay, it lasts all day, doesn't budge, works well with my contour, blush, bronzers, highlighters from other companies. I never have any issues with it mixing. It goes on easily, seamlessly, blends out beautifully. I'm wearing about 3 pumps right now, so 2 on my face and then 1 for like my neck. It absolutely looks so gorgeous and so beautiful. Like I cannot stop staring at myself in the viewfinder because it just looks so beautiful. And I haven't had that feeling for a foundation in a long time. I do like my Patrick Ta foundation, but it's just that is so hydrating that I have to like flour myself like a chicken before I wear it, and it's just too much work. This I don't need any powder for, especially like I said, if I use this setting spray. So not that I have anything against powder, I love good powder, just bought a full one size powder, but if I could skip a step and still get the look that I want, I absolutely love it. So this is going to be my new favorite foundation. I'm going to wear this till the wheels fall off because honestly I need to start with using my makeup and finishing my makeup because I'm buying it. So I am looking forward to getting to the bottom of this bottle. Alright, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video and come to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.